Now to do your cast on, you want to take and do a slip knot, which if I did that too fast for you, I have separate videos that'll kind of go over it a little better. But we're doing a chain cast on. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can... To do the cast on, let me zoom this out for a moment. You have the yarn coming from your spool. We're doing a chain cast on, which I don't use. It's like a crochet chained cast on, but I don't use a crochet hook. Okay, so you take your yarn, twist it and pull that through, and it creates a slip knot. You ignore this string. You want that kind of going down in the middle anyway, but we'll do that in a moment. Zoom in a bit so you can see this. So you've got your slip knot, which you'll notice it'll kind of move. Take the working yarn, which is the yarn that's coming from the spool. Put it behind your first peg. And then pull it through that loop you made. I take this cast on string, put it down in the middle, and just forget it's there. Once it's long enough, you can just weave it in and cut it off. Okay, so you have a loop, and you have it hooked to that first peg. Take your loop, put it behind the next peg, pull the working yarn through. Take your loop, next peg, pull the working yarn through. Do this all the way around. When you get to your last peg, you just put the loop itself on that last peg and tighten it up. So go ahead and do your cast on around. As you can see, I put the loop on that last peg and just kind of pulled it tight. You see they're not actually connected, but that's fine.